Hello, 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 my beautiful boss playmates. It's me, Ikenisha, your favorite boutique consultant, and I want to show you all something that is simple, but I still want to make sure everyone knows how to do this. So I wanted to make sure you all knew how to correctly add items to Shopify. So I am actually in the process of creating my 5-year anniversary collection. So as I was doing that, I was like, hey, let me record real quick so I can show y'all. All right, so one thing I've already done, I've already named my item. Make sure that for SEO purposes, that when you name your item, please make sure you still include in the name what it is. This is a jumpsuit and it is for plus size. So make sure that you do have this there. In your description, make sure you do have something about the fit. Make sure you have something what it's made out of or how to clean it or things of that nature. I don't have anything about cleaning it and what it's made out of because on Fashion Go, they are not telling me any of that. So once I get it and I can look at the tag, I'll put that in here. Next, you want to add your photos. So I'm adding a photo now just until, I get my model's photos taken, then I'll go through and I'll obviously change that photo. Now, being that this collection is not going to be, I'm not going to release it until like July 2nd because that is the day of my actual anniversary. So I'm going to schedule every single item to be available on that day. So that way I don't have to do it myself. So we're going to do it at midnight, start of the day, schedule the availability for that day, and then I'm done with that. Not done with everything. All right, so the next thing, I need to know how much I'm going to price it as. Now, I'm paying $16.50. However, I am obviously going to have to pay shipping on this item. I'm not sure how much shipping is going to be. I'm just going to round up and say that I'm paying about $18. Oops. That I'm paying $18 per item. Make sure you all are putting this in because there's no way you are knowing exactly how much money you are receiving and spending and all of that if you are not correctly pricing your items and putting in the CPI so that way you can see how much your profit margin is. And the profit margin is not showing up here anymore. It used to show up here. Wow. So they just changed this because literally it was there when I last added an item. Okay. All right. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get my calculator. I'm going to price my item real quick. So give me a second. All right, so this is how I price my items. If let's say I'm paying $18 for it, so I'm gonna do 18 times 2 because I want to get my money back. So 36, and then I'm gonna add in 60 more percent to that. That will give me $57. So I normally go for a 60% profit margin. So sometimes I may do it this way, which will obviously I will just take this down to $56, or I will do. Let me write it down so I know how much. So $56 was with the plus 60. And sometimes I would do 18 times 150%. Oops, I cleared it. Hold on. 18 times 150%. Hold it. I did that wrong. I keep doing. I don't know why I do that. I'm used to using a regular calculator. So when it does this, it's just weird for me. Okay, so it's 18 plus 150% would give me $45. But then if I if I subtract the 18 from that, that shows I'm making $27 per piece. If I mark this to 56, I'm making $38 per. And like I said, I want my profit margin to be at least a 60%. So for me to calculate that, what was the other amount I just said? What was it? 45. Okay, let me write that down too because I'm quick to forget sometimes while I'm recording. Okay. All right, so I'm going to do this up here so this way you all can see it. All right, so how you can calculate your profit margin Normally Shopify does it for you. I haven't done it myself in a while because normally, like I said, Shopify does it for me. But anywho, so I'm going to do the first one, which was normally how I do it, which was the cost per item times 2 plus 60%. That is normally how I will price my items majority of the time. So that gave us $56. So let's do the way you do this. So you take your cost of goods, which was your cost per item, which is 18. So 18, and then you have your retail price, which was my $56, and I'm going to subtract it. So 56 minus 18 gives us 38. That is called the gross profit or the profit. Now, you're going to divide that by your retail price. So I'm going to divide that by the $56, which is what I said I'm going to do it as. That comes up to 0.6785, blah, blah, blah. You're going to multiply that by 100 to give you the percentage. So that gives me a 67.8% profit margin. So that round up to a 68% profit margin. So let me write that beside my 56. 68%. Now, if we do the 45, that obviously is going to be lower. 45 minus 18 equals 27 divided by 45 equals times 100. It's a 60% on the dot. So I'm going to go for, I don't have them in yet. So I may just meet myself in the middle and do $50. I might just do 50. Let me see what that is going to be. 50. It'll give me 64% if I do 50. I might do that. I'm trying to think of, yeah, I'm going to do 50. Let's do 50. Oh, there's the profit margin right there. But boom, there you go. So you see I did this right. So I calculated it correctly. But yeah, normally it will pop up right here. I don't know why it wasn't there. That's weird. But yeah, there we go. So just so you all can see that I know how to calculate. So it was $50 was 64%, $56 was 68%, and then that $45 was 60%. So I want my profit to be in the 30s. So I'm going to do 32. That way, if someone uses a discount code, let's say they get 20% off of this 50, and let's see what that would be. 50. They'll get $10 off, so it'll be $40. And I'll make a 22. So no. I'll make $22 off of it. And then I got to do shipping. No, let's put it back at 56, like I said. You got to really remember how much you're going to come out of pocket when someone buys this. And you got to think about all scenarios. And you all know I do not charge for shipping. I don't charge my customers shipping. All right, so next, I'm keeping it here. I'm not going to do this because I am going to have to make some barcodes because I am going to be vending at an event soon. So I will have to do this, but I'm not doing it right now. If you have never seen how I make my barcodes, be sure to check the link in my description box. I show you all how I do that. Now for types, this is a jumpsuit. Let's put it as that. Vendor is me. My collection is not out yet. I haven't created it. I need to do that super quickly. Let's make it real quick. All right, I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to add anything to it right now just because I just need it to be made. All right, so that's done. I don't think it's going to pop up though. Nope. It's not going to pop up yet because we're still on this screen. All right, so quantity, I am ordering just 6 right now because I want to see how they are. Tags, I want to do jump suit. I hate when it does that. I used to just could press enter and it would just delete on its own. So we're going to do plus size. You can add up to 200 or 250 tags to your items. And this is one way how people can find you on like Google, Yahoo, whatever it is that they use to search. What else can I do? I can do pink jumpsuit. Okay, whoa. I hate when that happens. Pink jumpsuit. Plus size jumpsuit. I'm just going to do that for now. I'll do more later. This is a physical product. I will weigh it when it comes in, so that saves me time with shipping. I do ship internationally, so I need to fill this in. Whoa. This mouse is acting up. Let's see. I don't think it's going to pull up. Ugh. This is annoying today. I don't understand. Really? Okay, let's type in pants. Are y'all really gonna do this to me right now? Lord. Okay, there we go. I don't understand why it wasn't picking up. No. Let me type in romper. No. Sometimes you have to really. I need to go ahead and start writing down all of my HS codes because I forget them. And I don't remember what I've been putting in for jumpsuits. I'm going to do pantsuit. Dang it. I don't want panties or lingerie. Why is it pulling that stuff up? I'm just going to put this. I don't remember what I normally put, but that's what we're going to put today. All right, so we got different sizes. We have the 1X. Oops. One X, 2X, 3X. We're done with that, and we have 2 of each. All right, now that is everything that I needed to put in, other than my collection, which we're going to save it real quick. All right, so it's going to be in the anniversary collection, and it will be in the new arrivals collection on that same day. All right, and then I'm going to preview it. Why my sizzle thing isn't showing up? It's just shop pay. Alrighty. Perfect. All right, so that is how you should be adding your products. If you don't need to schedule it, you can just change it to active. Change that to active and just make sure you click on every single sales channel and app that you want it to show up on. That's the only difference. But other than that, yeah. Now, if you also, depending on your theme on Shopify, some free things do this, some do not. Right here, you can actually add a video instead of just pictures. So you're able to do that. I'm going to do a lot more video with this particular collection and from here on out, actually. So that's going to be cool. But yeah, I just wanted you all to see exactly how you should be adding your products onto Shopify. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out to me on Instagram at royal_aries325, and I'll catch you all next time. Bye.